शुभोदय बच्चों, सभी बच्चे कैसे हैं? अच्छा, आज हम तीसरे सेशन में आ गए हैं। तीसरे सेशन में हिंदी का क्लास है। ये आज हमारे 6वीं कक्षा में हिंदी में क्या सीखेंगे? क्या सीखेंगे मालूम है? द्वितीय व्यंजन। द्वितीय व्यंजन, यहाँ पर द्वितीय व्यंजन मतलब दो। द्वितीय मतलब दो है। द्वितीय मीन्स टू। व्यंजन मीन्स यू नो व्यंजन, का ग ग अप टू छात्राज्ञा वर्ग, ये व्यंजन है। सभी को मालूम है ना? व्यंजन मतलब का छ टा पा वर्ग। उसमें हम देखेंगे इस व्यंजन में इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं मालूम है? ड्यूअल कॉन्सोनेंट। ड्यूअल कॉन्सोनेंट, द्वितीय। द्वितीय मतलब क्या है? का प्लस का इज इक्वल टू का प्लस का इज इक्वल टू ख। क्या बोलते? का। चा प्लस टा इज इक्वल टू ट। मा प्लस मा प्लस मा, ये नीचे हलंत होना चाहिए, इज इक्वल टू मा। यहां पर हम देखेंगे कि जो सेकेंड जो अक्षर है फुल, ये है आधा अक्षर। इट इज अ हाफ लेटर। Half. If you're keeping like this, halant is here, that is called a half. Any akshar you're keeping halant here. Ta is, pa is, ta, ma, cha, ra, whatever you're keeping this is a halant. Halant means what is half akshar. If you're adding these two vyanjans, half and full vyanjan is equal to what is that? Ka plus ka is equal to ka. It you only based, what is your based? This is your base. This is your base. How your base is, see, you trust in this word. You have to keep the trust. Just see, ka plus ka is equal to ka. Ta plus is equal to ta. Ka plus ma is equal to ma. This is this. Like that only. Pa plus is equal to pa. Halant plus pa is equal to pa. Okay, like that only. Next, next da plus da is equal to da. You can write like this also, no problem. Okay, next cha plus halant. Cha, halant plus cha. Halant means what? Half cha. You wherever it is keeping the half, wherever you are keeping this halant is that is indicated as a half letter. So here cha, half cha plus full cha is equal to cha. What is that? Cha. Okay, so like that. Half ta is equal to full ta is equal to tha. So when you are pronouncing it, you will pronounce like this. You have to base on this letter, not a half. You have to base this. So ta plus is the tha. Da plus da is equal to da. Ra plus ra is equal to ra. Like this you have to. Pa plus pa is love. Next, like this letters you have to use. The same, these letters we will discussing in the letters, how we are using these letters in this. So here ka plus ka is equal to ka gives makka. Makka means Makka means maize. Sweet corn maize. So makka. So ikka. Ikka means one. Na. Dhakkan. What is this? This is a lid. Dhakkan means lid. Once again I am repeating. So listen. Makka. What is it? Makka. This is a dual consonant. Once again listen. This is a dual consonant. Half letter and full letter you insert. So here makka. Makka means maize. Next ikka. Ikka means one. Ikka. Half ka is there, full ka is there. Ikka. Here one swar also is there. So swar is that a ki matra. So ikka. Next dha ka na. Dhakkan. Dhakkan means lid. Okay, lid. L-I-D, lid. Cha plus cha is equal to cha. Cha plus cha. Here half cha. Halant word is what? Half cha. So plus cha is equal to full cha. So wherever I am not keeping this halant, so that is called a full letters, full vyanjan, full vyanjan. So here bacha, bacha means child, bacha. Pronounce when I am telling, you also pronounce, then you will get easily. Okay, so bacha, bacha, cha ki a ki matra is there, so you have to pronounce bacha, bacha, a ki matra is there. If you are not keeping this a ki matra, bach, bach, you will tell us. So a ki matra is there, so bacha. So dirgham you need to dirgham also. Kacha, ka, cha, cha. So kacha, kacha means that the fruit which is not be reap. So that is called a kacha. So here kacha mango, yes, like that, kacha. Next, pachis, pachis. You know the numbers. I know you are very well in your numbers. So pachis means what? Do you know pachis? Pachis means 25. What? 25. So here pachis means 25. Okay, children. So here once again, next ta plus ta is equal to tha. What is that? Tha plus tha is equal to tha. So mithi. Ta ki e ki matra is here. Ta ki e ki matra. Chote e ki bade ki. It is only bade ki matra. What is the chote e? Chote is means small e. What is small e? This e. And bade e means like this. Bade e ki matra is like this. Okay, you all know matras. So here, so mitti. Mitti means soil. Mitti means soil. Next, khatti. What is that? Khatti. Khatti means sour. Next, lathi. Lathi means stick. Lathi. Next, once again, mitti, khatti. Pronounce when I am telling. Okay. So, khatti, latti. Okay. Next, ta plus ta. Ta plus ta is equal to ta plus ta is equal to tha. Is equal to d. Is it? Da plus da is equal to d. So, gaddi. What is it? Gaddi. Laddu. Kabaddi. What is it? Gaddi. Gaddi means vehicle. Gaddi means vehicle. Any vehicle. Next, laddu. You know laddu. Sweet, that laddu. Next, kabaddi. It is the name of the game. So here kabaddi. Here once again I am repeating this word gaddi. Ga, half da and da ki e ki matra is there. So it is a badi ki matra is here. So gaddi. Next, laddu, kabaddi. Here, okay. So up to this we know 1, 2, 4, 3 or let me learn more. So, ta plus ta is equal to half ta plus full ta is equal to what? Half ta plus is equal to ta plus ta. What is that? Ta is gives. Okay. So words, what the words it's coming means chata, chata. What is chata? You know. Chata means patta. Patta. Patta means leaf. Patta. Next, kutta. What is kutta? A ki matra is there. This you can write like this also. It is also true. What is that? If you are writing this ta ki like this also true. Correct. If you are writing ta or ta is like this also, both are the correct. Both are the correct. Like this ta also, this ta is both are the half ta you can write like this also. Half ta like this. This type also is the correct only. These two are the correct. Okay. If you write like this, you are writing like this is so, you are telling me is no problem. Both are the correct way. Okay, children. Cha plus ta ki ta. Ta ki ta. So, a ki matra is there. Chata. What is it? Chata. Next, pa ta. Ta ki a ki matra. Patta. A ki matra is patta. Patta means leaf. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Next, kutta. Kutta means dog. No. So here, chata means umbrella. Umbrella. In rainy season you are using that, no? That is umbrella. Chhata and patta and kutta. Next one, what is na plus na? Na, half na plus full na, you can, it comes as na. Okay, so here prasanna, prasanna. What is that? Prasanna. Next, it comes ganna. Another word, it's another na, ganna. Next, an, an. Okay, children. So an. What is the meaning of this? Na plus na. So it's na. It's na. Na. It comes. So prasanna. Prasanna means happy, joy, happy. So next, ganna. Ganna means sugar. Ganna, sugar. Next, an. An means grain. An means grain. So here. Next, ba plus ba. Ba, half ba. This is half. Again I am telling, this is a half ba. We are keeping as halant. Okay, children. Halant. Ba plus ba. So, ba plus ba is equal to ba. Okay. Next. What is that? Ba plus ba is gubbara. 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 Okay. Next, gubbara. Next, murabba. 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 Next, dibba. Dibba. Okay. Here. Gubbara means balloon. Gubbara means balloon. Gubbara means balloon. Murabba is a preservative fruit. Preservative fruit that is called jam. Okay, preservative fruits. You can call as a preservative fruits or you call as a jam also. It's a no problem. That is called a murabba. Understand? You mostly you know what is a jam. Kisan jam, no? So that is jam. Murabba. And dibba. Dibba is a box. Either the tiffin box or the pencil box. Anything else. That whatever the box is called as a dibba. Okay. So dibba. Dibba. One more thing is pa plus pa. Half pa is that. Half pa plus full pa is equal to pa. Okay. So it gives what the letters it gives? Chappar. 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 Chappar means roof. Chappar means roof. What is an upper for a head? That is called a roof. Chappar means roof. And another thing is cha, half pa is there. Chappala. Chappal. That is called a slipper. Next, appa. What is that? Appa. So, appa is a father. Here once, chappar. Chappar means roof. Chappal. Chappal means slippers. And appa. Appa means father. So, these are the dual consonant words. So, once again I am repeating these words. You pronounce along with me and then you will got it easily. Makkah. So, what is Makkah? Ma plus ka, ka. Makkah. E plus ka, ka. Ikka. Dha, ka, na. Dhakkan. So, this is Makkah means, what is that Makkah means? Makkah means mice. Makkah means mice. Ikka means one. Ikka means one. Makkah means mice. M-A-I-Z-E. Mice. Okay. Ikka means one. What is that? One. So, Dhakkan. Dhakkan is lid. L-I-D. Lid. Okay. Next, Bacha. Bacha means child or C-H-I-L-D. Child. Okay. Kacha means reap. Kacha mango. So, kacha. Kacha. Next, pachis means 25. What is it? 25. 25. So, 25. Next, mitti. Mitti means me-ti. Mitti. Mitti means soil. Mitti means soil. Mitti means soil. Next, khatti means sore. What is that? Khatti. Khatti. That is a sore. S-O-U-R. Sore. Next, lathi. Lathi means stick. Stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Okay, so gaddi, gaddi is vehicle. Gaddi means vehicle. Vehicle. So gaddi. Next, laddu. Here, laddu means, you know laddu, the sweet. Okay. Next, kabaddi. What is that? Kabaddi is a game. So, game. Kabaddi. Okay. Kabaddi. It is a game. Chhata. Chhata means, you know, roof. Roof. Next, patta. Patta means leaf. Patta means leaf. Kutta. Kutta means dog. Okay, children. So, along with me, you have to pronounce yourself, then you get easily. Children, don't hesitate and repeat it again. When I am repeating, you also repeating, then your voice will be nice and pronouncing should be getting easy to learn properly Hindi way. So, next, na plus na is equal to present. So, na plus na. So, present. Present means happy. So, what is that? Happy, happy. So, next, ganna. Ganna means sugar cane. What is that? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar cane. C-A-N-A cane. Anna. Anna is green. G-R-A-I-N. Green. Okay, children. Next, gubbara. Gubbara means balloon. What is it? Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Balloon. Next, murabba is jam. Or you can say the preservative fruit. Or you can say dibba means box. Chappar means roof. Okay. This is chappal. Slippers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S. Slippers. Okay. Next, appa means father. Okay, children. So, these are the words you can learn properly. Next, ma plus ma, you will add here some more word letters I will give in here. Ma plus ma. Ma plus ma means half ma plus full ma is equal to ma. So, it gives what? Amma. What? Amma. Amma means, you know very well, mother. Chammach. Next, himmat. Okay. So, ma plus ma is equal to ma and a plus is equal to amma. Amma means mother. Amma means mother. And here, chammach means spoon. Chammach means spoon. Chammach means himmat means courage. Himmat means courage. Himmat means courage. Children, so these are the words. When you pronouncing it, double dual consonant it is. Two consonants. So, when you are pronouncing two consonants, one is half consonant, another is a full consonant, it will give the, you have to, when pronouncing it, when you are give more trust to the second letter. Means here, this is your base, this is the, you have to give more support to this letter. Means second letter you have to give more support. Then that word will become like this. So, ta plus ta, this is ta. So, ta. Da plus da, ta plus ta, tha. Na plus na, ba plus ma, ba. Cha plus cha, pa plus pa. Like this only. Ma plus ma. These are the words. Okay. Still, la plus you at home you practice each letter, each vyanjan. What is the vyanjan, you know, no? Ka, cha, ta, pa, vargam. What is that? Ka, cha, ta, pa, ka, kha, ga, ra. Cha, ja, na. Ta, da, dha, na. Pa, pa, ba, ma. These are the vyanjans. You, all this vyanjan you write at notebook and use half letter and full letter. You pronounce at home. Understand what I am telling? So at home you practice and learn this. It will be easy to read Hindi properly. So la plus la is equal to la. La plus la is equal to la. Okay. So like that. Ma plus ma, na plus na, da plus da. Da plus da is equal to dha. Okay. Dha plus dha is equal to, this is halant. First letter you keeping the halant only. Okay, halant. Halant means when you are keeping a letter is a halant, it is a half letter only. This is a halant. Okay, ma. This word is, this lightly down slight is called a halant. Halant. Halant you called. And whenever any consonant it is keeping halant, it will indicate half. Half Vyanjan word. Half Vyanjan letter. Okay. So this is a half. So whenever any halant is keeping any Vyanjan, so you indicate it is a half letter. Okay. So half letter. So ullas. Ullas. La plus la. Ullas. Okay. Next, da plus dha. Ra plus ra. Na plus na. You have to write. So one more thing. And I hope you understand. Next, sa plus sa. Still some one consonant is sa plus sa. Sa plus sa is equal to half sa, full sa. Half sa, full sa. So what letters is come? Rassi. 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 Rassi means rope. Rassi means rope. Like that. Kyun ya kya? Half ka plus ya. What is that half ka and ya? It's called kya. These letters will come with samyuktakshars. Samyuktakshars. I told before only samyuktakshars is what? Samyuktakshar is the letters are joining with two vyanjans. With two vyanjans. For example, here dual consonants, same letters. Dual consonants are same letters. This is ma plus ma. Whereas samyuktakshars. Samyuktakshar is one word is, one letter is vyanjan, one word is another vyanjan. So here we once say, I am indicating like this here. Samyukta, samyukta varn or samyukta vyanjan. Okay, samyukta. Samyukta means two vyanjans are taking. Vyanjan means everyone know no, ka, cha, ta, pa, all, ka, kha, ga, ga, cha, cha, ja, ja, na, all these vyanjans. So here ka plus ya. का प्लस या इज इक्वल टू क्या हो सकता है? क्या? बस द प्लस या इज इक्वल टू ध्या. That is Vidyalay. The word it comes Vidyalay. You can write these letters also, these letters also. Actually, nowadays is coming very less. These samyuktakshars are very less. When you are reading in old books or any books or newspaper, you will see these words. Then you find it, how these letters I don't know. That time you feel like that. But in Hindi, at the manak, at the grammar part, when you are learning in Hindi, so you have to learn these letters also very must. So that is called dhya. So this is a da plus ya is equal to dhya. It is also correct like this also. What is that? Dhya. Halant is there. Ya. Lay. Vidyalay. This also correct. Both are the correct way. Understand? So here. Vidyalay. Next. Here you will see another verse, you will see These are the clusters. Sh, ka, la. What is that is called? Half sha. This is sha. Ka is that half ka, la. So what is called? It is shakal. What is shakal? What is the shakal means? Face. What is it? Shakal means face. So shakal. Next, you see half letter. Gupt. Here you are finding that this is pa is another vyanjan and ta is another vyanjan. Whereas dual consonant we are using the same letters. Here we are using different. Here pa is different, ta is different. This vyanjan is different, this vyanjan is different. So here gupt, this is a half pa and this is ta. So gupt. Gupt means secret. Okay. So gupt. Like that, gupta. Pathar. Pathar. Here half ta, another ta is there. This is the first ta, this is the second ta. This is the these two samyukta akshars. The two vyanjans are different. Two vyanjans are different. It comes so samyukti vyanjan. So here pathara. Pathar. Pathar means stone. What is that word? Pathar means stone. Pathar means stone. Whereas gupt means secret. Whereas shakal means face. And vidyalaya, you know, school. As a machhar, ma, half cha and another cha. You will observe here, this is the first cha, this is the second cha. Okay, this is the first cha, this is another cha. These two are the different consonants. These two are the different consonants. What is different consonant? This is the first cha, this is the another cha, second cha. So ma-cha-ra, machhar. So here we are basing the full letter. When you are pronouncing, you have to base this. You take this base is this. So you are pronouncing machhar. Okay, machhar. Your stress is keeping in this cha, not this cha. This is the first cha. You have to, whenever pronouncing, you have to keep it stress, and it is your base. So when you are pronouncing, it is machhar, machhar. Okay, children. So let me read properly. Next, magarmach ya machli. Machli, machli. Machli means fish. Machli means fish. It's a half cha, full cha and li. La ki e ki matra is there. Li ki matra is, what is that? E ki matra? Badi ki matra. Is chhoti ki matra? Badi ki matra. So machli. So machli. So machli means fish. Machli means fish. Okay, children. So here machli. Next, acha. 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 What is that acha? Acha means good. Acha means good. Acha means good. So here we are observing here two letters samyukta akshar. That's different words. What is that different words? I will mention. That is called different words is clusters. C-L-U-S-T-R, cluster. So I am just giving a small what is this? C-L-U-S-T-R, different cluster or a combined C-O-M-B-I-N-E-D, combined letter. Okay, combined letter or a clusters, two different letters. So when it's for your ideas, I'm just writing, just you write in a half letter plus full letter. Yes, half letter plus full letter is, so you take next half letter will give we always takes the full letter support. The full letter support. Okay. For your better understanding, I am writing this also. Okay. So here first letter is half letter, then full letter. That is called cluster. That is called cluster. Okay. Or a combined letter. That is called in Hindi samyukta. In Hindi samyukta. So half letter we will always take the full letter support. Understand? So these are the words. Today I will tell this what? Today I will tell what is that? Dvitiya akshar, that is the dual consonants, as well as samyukta akshar or samyukta varna, means cluster or combined letter. How to pronounce, how to read for your good understanding. Okay, so this is the one. Here one more things I want to be tell. I hope children you are writing, maintain a notebook and write in a notes. Okay children, take a book, maintain Hindi, everything you write in a separate notebook and follow these notes. Samyukta varna, samyukta varna, samyukta varna means cluster word. Samyukta varna व्यंजन के साथ मिलने से बनता है. What is this? बनता है means आधा व्यंजन प्लस फुल व्यंजन. आधा व्यंजन in Hindi. I wrote in English, no. आधा व्यंजन plus पूरा व्यंजन. पूरा व्यंजन. Vyanjan means letters only. What is that Vyanjan? Vyanjan, so many people will think like this, Vyanjan. But here, Vyanjan means letters. In English, ABCD is the letter. In Hindi, A, is the swar, and Vyanjan is Kaka Gaga is the Vyanjan. So, Pura Vyanjan. So, Adha is called, Pura Vyanjan is called Samyukta Varna. What is it? Samyukta Varna. In Hindi, it is called Samyukta Varna. Half letter and full letter will give Samyukta Varna. Okay. So, here, how can we pronounce it? You will see once. These are the very, very important. Ha plus ma. Ha plus ma. Ha, you like this. But in notes it will not. In any books when you are seeing in the newspapers or old books and Sanskrit books or some other books when you are seeing, it was like this. You don't know what is that. I don't know. You feel like that. But here the ha plus what is? This is a half. Half plus ma. So half ha plus ma is equal to what is that is called ha. Next ha plus ya is hi. What is it? Hi. See, but it was differently is there. This only different. In any letter you will learn properly. But this letter ha ki pettina matralu మనకి డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ కూడా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ హా ప్లస్ నా. Ha na. So pronounce is different and na is also different. Ha plus la is ho. It is a half la, where it is a base half la. So this is half adha vyanjan plus pura vyanjan. So this is the letters, as well as you will see some shuddha. This is a different letter. Da is another vyanjan. This is of another dha. So shuddha, samyukta akshar. Next, take the homework, children. Write this whatever I explain that you write in your CW as well as homework notebook also. So at the same time you write the Varnamala as well as write Varnamala and Matraएं at notebooks. Varnamala and Matra in HW. Okay children, I hope you understand well. If you have any doubts, you ask in the class. Okay, thank you for giving chance.